Where is the new game?
It is right here.
You want to tell everybody
Yeah.
what is this?
This is a new game, but actually yesterday night we didn't took a video, but now we are taking it. So we opened it.
Let me tell about this thing. So guys, this is Orbit. Good thing about this is it is developed by two Indians, and it's an interactive globe which will take you, to a virtual tour of the world, and it will tell you about what different special things are there in countries, their culture, animal, landscape, and all different things it will tell about. It's all interactive. It's virtual reality kind of thing. So you can see it. Orbit our Earth, an interactive globe powered by
And
augmented
I saw,
reality. Okay.
and I
You
saw
can
there's
go
a
to-
fake visa.
Yeah. And we can go to www.playshifu.com to know more about this. It's from a brand Shifu. It's again owned by two Indians. And
And I saw, see guys,
Yeah.
this is one animal, and I saw come with animals.
exactly.
And we need to use iPhone or your
Yeah.
tablet.
So in the box you can find one globe, I think 10 diameter, one passport, one stamp, and some stickers of different countries, and then boarding pass and all, and one help guide. What you need is to install an application here. Okay, that's called Orbit application. You
There's
can go
many
to
applications we
Yes.
need to install.
Yes, so you can install it on any Android phone, I think, and on iPad, on mini iPad, or on Kindle Fire, anywhere you can install it, whichever Android you have. Okay, and then anyways the specification is mentioned. More than that,
Install
it
in my dad's phone, I saw in my tablet.
is exactly. So what you learn here, right? You can learn about geography, you can learn about environmental science, you can learn about general knowledge, social science, cultural sensitivity. A lot of things you can
And
learn.
I love
You have the
the
details over
animal one.
here?
It's amazing, that animal one.
Yes.
And you know what? And stumble, my bats go here, and I saw winter to go to Mexico.
Yes, and you can see travel the world here, so you can see the animals, cuisines, their cultures, maps, monuments, inventions, right? There are a lot of mysteries and everything you can try here. Different quizzes, mysteries, and all which kid can like. Quiz is there, Eco Park. So I think let's start. Let's open and see what is there inside,
Yeah,
right?
I don't know if the kid in there is having anything.
Yes.
Last time we bought this and this was not working, but now we are buying this. Oh, actually my friend gave it to me.
Yes.
And this is amazing. It's the food.
So here is the globe.
And here is one stamp like you stamped
Inside
the ticket.
this box we have the Orbiter's guide. We have a passport.
Yeah.
You can
it's
see?
like a fake one.
Yeah, and you have you can attach your photo, you can sign it, and then in each page you have something to write, your favorite place. You can do the stamp. You have the stamp as well. You need to take it out. This is the stamp. You can
Yeah, it's so high.
right.
Yeah.
And then this is the sticker book, where we have, you see, the boarding pass and different countries sticker. This you can take it out and you can place in your passport wherever you have visited. You can place it.
I think that was just the shoe.
So just reading the note. Yeah. Hey, this is Vivek and Dinesh, two dads and toy makers. Thank you for choosing Play Shifu. It means the world to us. We hope your kid loved the new Orbit. If you are facing any difficulty, drop us an email at reachout@playshifu.com. We will help you right away. Also, please share your experience with a quick review at www.amazon.com/ryp. See you again. Thank you, Vivek and Dinesh. This is an awesome product, and I'm sure we are going to enjoy this thing. We have already seen the reviews, and we have already seen some videos on this, and this is really awesome. We would love to share the feedback on Amazon as well. Thank you for your innovative product. Thank you. Now
Let's
Now,
check it out.
just to proceed, I have already installed the application, guys. So This is the application Orbboot Earth.
Spin Orbboot.
We can search it in the Play Store, this application.
And guys, you know what? I saw there's one anime place and show all countries. When you see this style, you need to click the anime and then the animes will tell you what to do.
Tap on Explore.
So these
to
options it
travel
says
the world.
AR and all. Now Ashi will show you what different things we can try it out here.
Actually, I love this one, so I'm going to show it to
Okay,
you guys.
so augmented reality she is trying to show you. When she plays the application on top of any places, the
Choose a
stars if you
star
can
on the
see,
globe and
any
match
of these
it with
star
the
if
star
she'll place the
connected to
application
screen.
camera, it'll show the details about that and
See,
it'll
I
show
will
you.
show you how
the
many animes United States America.
Good job. Now tap on any of the highlights to know more.
Oh, I mean, there's a lot. How should I forget?
Hello, little folks. I am the tapir. I am not a pig. I only seem to look like one. I know, I have a long trunk. But that's just my extended nose and upper lip. I use this unique feature to grab branches and clean off the leaves. I live in Central and South America.
You can click on the other tabs
Drag the food that you think it'll love to
and there's
eat.
the awesome thing.
No.
Haha.
No. Thanks, that was awesome.
He like please.
So guys, this is an awesome product. Kids can learn a lot. This is just one application of it, and we have many other. You can create the profile and then you can share the feedback and everything you can do here. So if you see, there is a mystery portion of this, then quiz base. Then Oko Park is something where you can decide that whether your ecosystem is good or not,
I'm
and
gonna do this one.
kids can play. Yep, sure. Let's see how Oko Park is.
I'm doing this one.
Okay, try it out from here so that you can show it to everyone. The screen of.
Welcome to Oko Park.
Oko Park.
Hello, I am Brian.
And I am Sophie. We are the chief naturalists of Oko
Sophie
National
is one
Park.
of my best
And
friends
we
in
will
the
help you
school.
take care
Awesome.
of your park.
Let me tell you a secret. This place runs on the Circle of Oko. It is made of 5 different parts. Water, herbivores or plant-eating animals, carnivores or flesh-eating animals,
See?
soil, and plants and trees.
Did somebody say caca?
When everything is in balance, they are green and on the circle.
He ate the globe and he ate the phone.
When something turns red and goes inside the circle, there's too little of it. When something turns red and goes out of the circle, there's too much of